Alright, Wyatt's first water ice. You excited? You excited?
Rainbow sprinkles. Here comes another one.
You excited? Get the tongue hanging out? Okay, so there it is.
He wants it.
There you go. Here it comes!
Epic fail.
I don't know. I think the cold scared him a little bit, but the sweetness. One more little taste?
Like the spoon, please.
Oh.
What do you think of that, Wyatt? Is it good? How's yours,
Mango
Ryan?
is his first flavor, and he seems to be enjoying himself. That little face.
Give him the custard part. Or whipped cream part, whichever one that is. I can't tell you which.
Getting used to the coldness.
Oh, let's get the fingers in it. No. I take it it's a winner.
He likes it. None for you. All for him.